Do you want to attract butterflies to your garden? If yes, then you're in the right place. Butterfly-attracting flowers aren't just beautiful, they also play an essential role in our ecosystem. They enhance the charm of your garden while supporting these graceful creatures. Stay tuned to learn about the top 5 butterfly-attracting flowers that you can grow in your garden. Starting off our list at number 1 is milkweed. Known for its vibrant colors, this flower is more than just a pretty face. It's a vital food source for butterflies, particularly monarch butterflies, providing them with the nourishment they need. Milkweed, a true butterfly magnet. Moving on to number 2, we have the charming coneflowers. Known for their lengthy bloom period and vibrant palette that ranges from sunny yellows to deep purples, these flowers attract a diverse array of butterfly species. Coneflowers, a colorful feast for butterflies. Coming in at number 3 are the sunny and bright black-eyed Susans. These cheerful flowers are a breeze to grow, making them a favorite among garden enthusiasts. Their striking yellow petals and dark centers create a vivid display that butterflies simply can't resist. Black-eyed Susans, a sunny invitation to butterflies. At number 4, we have the vibrant and diverse Zinnias. These flowers captivate with their myriad of colors and heights, making them a versatile choice for any garden. Not to mention, butterflies can't resist their allure. Zinnias, a versatile charm for every butterfly. Last but not least, at number 5 is the aptly named butterfly bush. This enchanting plant is a butterfly magnet, thanks to its sweet, captivating fragrance and nectar-rich blooms. Imagine a garden buzzing with colorful butterflies, all drawn to the allure of the butterfly bush. Butterfly bush, an irresistible treat for our fluttering friends. So, are you ready to turn your garden into a butterfly paradise? With milkweed, coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, zinnias, and butterfly bush, you'll be welcoming these beautiful creatures in no time. Remember, every like and subscription helps us bring you more garden wonders. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing garden tips and tricks.